Hello and welcome to Saucy Cat. My name is Connor, and last week we cooked up an amazing Alfredo sauce for pink pasta. Now, it was great in that video, but I feel like this recipe deserves a little bit more time with the spotlight. So today we're going to cook up a vegan Fettuccine Alfredo. Let's go ahead and dive in. Let's start with our sauce by first chopping up a yellow onion. Then take out a large saucepan, set it to medium-high, and warm up some olive oil. Add in your onion along with some garlic and simmer for around 10 minutes until the onion starts to caramelize on the edges. For the rest of our sauce, we're gonna need a blender. Pour in the contents of your pan along with some raw cashews, almond milk, nutritional yeast, lemon juice, and some black pepper. Blend for around 5 minutes until you have a smooth, creamy sauce. Now grab a big old pot of salted water for our pasta. Traditional thick style fettuccine is perfect for this dish. Simply cook it per package instructions. I really want this dish to be more than just sauce and noodles, so let's add some fresh veggies to the mix. Start off by cutting up some asparagus into 1 to 2 inch pieces and cut a head of broccoli into small bite-sized pieces. Warm up a pan on medium-high and add in a little olive oil. Add your asparagus and broccoli and spice it up with some salt and pepper. Stir fry for about 10 minutes until the veggies are nice and tender. Noodles are done, so let's drain them out and add them directly into the pan. Turn the heat down to medium and add in the sauce. Give it all a good toss and twirl to get everything mixed and coated. Continue mixing on the heat for about 3 to 5 minutes to let that sauce get nice and hot. Now that our pasta's all cooked up, let's plate this dish. Doesn't this just look fantastic? Our Alfredo sauce has such a bold richness to it, and our veggies are there to give it a nice air of freshness. Well, that is going to do it for today. I want to thank you so much for watching. If you're interested in any of the ingredients we use, we'll have a link in the description below. We are Amazon associates, so a portion of the proceeds supports the channel. Like and subscribe for more vegetarian and vegan content, and we'll see you next time on Saucy Cat. Doesn't this just look fantastic? Oop,
You got this.
Let me wheel it up and then we'll start.